Okay, so check it out. It has heat, it has UV light sterilization, and when you push the on button, the blue light goes on. If you lift it up, it goes off because it can damage your eyes. The UV light is actually under here, so I don't know who will go in there and look at it, but it's dangerous. So I just did like a couple of seconds to make sure it was working. No joke, I used to vacuum my bed with a regular vacuum. This was so light, and already I was trying to get, I could see, I was like, am I sleeping on this dust or whatever the heck this is? But yeah, it's picking up my feet, and it has grooves under here to make it lower or higher. It comes with an extra filter, and it says you can wash it and reuse it. Make sure you dry before you put it back in. This is the extra one it came with. The one was already in there. And it said, depending how often you use it, you should change it every three weeks. As long as I see stuff, as long as I clean it, you know how I do. But this invention is the best. You have a desk right next to me, and that's great as well. And I vacuumed my seat cover thingy. And it's sterilizing it. Look at that. When the blue light is on, you know that your stuff is getting cleaned. And you can feel a little heat, I guess, for the sterilization. And it tells you everything. If there's any problems, it tells you everything to troubleshoot it. It's nifty. It's going to go right under my bed. I can whip it out. I totally recommend it. Oh, move that.
This product is not good. There is a release button to pop off the dust bin. You don't need it. If you just bump it, it hardly takes any pressure at all. I don't even need to use this. I thought that was a defect of the first one I got. Apparently it's just part of this vacuum's feature. Oh, look at that. It spun for a second. And then it doesn't spin anymore. So not only does the suction suck at sucking, good luck if you have hair, dog hair, people hair, debris, anything on your mattress, on your blankets, on whatever. But I find it funny that they claim that this is high quality and durable and will last 10 years and beyond. I've had this for 6 months, not even. And it started doing this not working business a couple months ago.
Pickle pants then? мы можем восстановить игру? А почему вы это начинаете лобби? Чуть вкус ничего.
Wow.
Got a new vacuum for my mattress. And it's amazing. And this is all the crap that came out of my freaking mattress. I don't know if you can see that. Look at this way. Can you see that? Ew. Ew, Becky. Ew. Look at that. I was sleeping on that. That's disgusting.